In this video, I'll show you the full specializations and the features of the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now what I need to do, I'm going to open up where you can be able to see the full specializations of each of them. So if you love to get an iPhone 17 for yourself, you're going to be able to watch through the specializations and the features. Now, I don't currently have the phone, right? But I want to show you the specializations if you love to get it for yourself. Okay, this is what it looks like. So the iPhone 17 features, you can look down and see all of them. The iPhone 17 Air feature, you can be able to look down and see all of them from your own preference. So the iPhone 17 Pro, you can also look down and see all these specializations and features. Then the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you can be able to also see all the specializations if you want to see this. So just pause this video and look through all of them and find the one that's best preferred for you.